So now to create our patterns, you want to show sketch number 1 and hide the construction. Then now we want to go to extrude up here, select our little cross, drag it back, and then change the direction to symmetric and change the cut to intersect. Then press OK. Once you've done that, you want to show body number 2 and 3. Rotate it. Then hide sketch number 1. And now you want to go to create pattern by going to create, go to pattern down here, and go to circular pattern. And make sure you change the pattern type to bodies. Then select this and select this. So now you want to go to axis, click on select the axis to the vertical one, and then you can put however many you want. You can put 10, 12, but I will have mine as 8. That's how many patterns I want. Then press OK. Once you've done that, you should get something like this. So now you want to combine all of them together by selecting body 1, hold down shift and select body 18. You should have something like this, and then combine them by clicking combine and then press OK. And you have your full lampshade. And as we know from our measurement from earlier, our width is 50 and our base is, then you want to click on the circle that we've just made, 2 numbers so that the light bulb would fit. Once you've done that, go to circle, select the center right there. If you go to the top, it would be easier. Select the center right here. And as we know, our width is 50 and our base is 27. So you want your circle to be in between these 2 numbers. So I will have mine as 34. Then press enter. Once you've done that, click on finish sketch, rotate, and then you want to go to extrude. Click on your circle that you just made, drag it down, and then make sure it's on cut, and then press OK. And there you have it.